Okay, hi. We bought a big box of party favors because we're already getting ready for our New Year's Eve party. It's only 6 months away or whatever. So look at all the great stuff we got in here. Some great hats.
Ben's hat.
Ben's hat. Happy New Year. These are good. I think it's from a Crackers.
King Brian.
Happy New Year.
Hey, everybody's got to wear one at the party.
That's right.
We got enough of those sombreros. Oh, you should put a big one on.
Is there one? Oh.
That's the biggest one. What did people do with these sombreros? Kara wants to know. Huge stacks and stacks of sombreros.
It's like noisemakers. They're beautiful. Tin.
Oh, I think I got a bit through it. Okay. Hey, we don't got all day, you know.
That's a good one.
Hats.
But they come from like way back. This one is from 1967.
What does it say on the side?
Yeah, it says
Ontario?
Omark.
What is Omark? Was that this company or something?
I think it's a company or something. Yeah.
Interesting.
Centennial year. Got a whole bunch of those.
Neat.
Centennial party.
Centennial party. When's the next centennial? Ooh, grasshopper and a frog. All right.
Hats.
Oh, come on, try that one on. That was so pretty. Blue hair.
That's a good one.
Woohoo!
Happy New Year.
These are old ones. They're pretty.
I know, vintage.
They're pretty. That's
This
my
is-
favorite.
Oh
That
my
one's gonna be
goodness.
mine. That's my favorite hat. Definitely keeper. It just goes on and on.
I know. These great images.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good party this year. Or next year, I guess I should say. Ooh, the clown
Next
one's
year.
nice.
These are good.
That one says 70 what?
1776 American centennial.
Oh, the
Bicentennial.
76. Okay.
Bicentennial battles.
Look at all these things. It just is crazy. Polka dots.
Oh, these are the
Oh,
gems
wait. I
here.
want to see the polka dot one before I keep going. Another horn. People are going to be getting bored with the video by this point. Let me see.
Good hats there.
All right.
These, I got a whole pile
This
of these.
is the best part. Okay. We're definitely making everyone wear a hillbilly hat comes with hair, or what is the other choice that everybody's going to be wearing?
Beatles party.
The Beatles.
Instant Beatles wig.
That is so funny. I'm going to take another.
Feather.
Beautiful. Can hardly wait.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one.
Can hardly wait. More. What else is in
Oh
here?
yeah, more bicentennial hats.
Ah, that one's backwards. We got two there. Cute. Cute.
Party hat.
Lots of treasures. Happy New Year.